Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened on last Friday and what we expected on last Friday. The chart which you are seeing is Goodwill Commodities charting tool. Whenever I place the cursor on any particular candlestick, you can see the date and time below. This blue color candlestick indicates last week Friday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere near 6,420. We made it very clear because this is a very new contract. This contract opened with a very big opportunity that if the price is trading above 6,420, we expected that the market will regain its buying strength. But if the price is trading below 6,420 and also the bottom support is 6,360. So many times we had seen that the price was taking a good support around 6,360, and if the price can break 6,360, it can be a downtrend. So this was our clear observation and strategy for crude oil trading for this new contract. So right after the price opening, our charting tool is indicating that the momentum can be on the buying side. So the price came down to test this major zone of 6,420. But if there was a failure, so the price was pushed down. Now you can see the charting tool is indicating the momentum can be on the downside. So slowly and steadily the price was testing again and again 6,420. So once the price broke 6,420, you could see the momentum. Within 3 big candlesticks, the price cleared this zone. From there, our charting tool and everything picked the momentum for buying. So the price tried to reach the next zone of 6,460, which was our next target zone. Finally, the price closed around 6,460. So this was the price action what we witnessed in the last week Friday's market. Everything went according to our plan, and our Goodwill charting tool did a wonderful job in keeping us in the right direction throughout the trading session. And also we had identified the major zone very clearly at the beginning of this contract. So what we can do today, how we can position ourselves for today's trading. Today the price is expected to open above 6,480. So the price opening for today is again going to be higher compared to the previous week entire price opening. So we are going to get a higher opening, which again indicates the momentum, and the trend can be on the higher side, that is buy trend. So the next targeted zones are 6,506 and 6,526. These were all the next target zones. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. So crude oil is expected to stay in uptrend, having this 6,420 as one of the major support zone. You could notice that our moving average has also approached the 6,420 to make it a most important zone. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. As usual, we can depend on our charting tool to keep us in the right direction throughout the trading session. So let us see. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.